Hello everybody, welcome to Thursday. We had a down market today, small amount, and what was interesting is that it came right down to the top of the range that we've been talking about. It was established over 13 trading days, and then it found some support and it didn't go below that, which is exactly what's supposed to happen in theory, so we'll see if that continues to hold. Um, and Apple announced their earnings after the market closed today. Apple was actually up 2% today, even though the market as a whole was down. They mentioned that their sales were down 7% compared to the first quarter of 2019, unlike Microsoft, who was actually up 15%. They said the main reason was because of iPhone sales and they had interruption of their supply chain, which isn't too surprising. But they did announce that they had a 16% increase in their services and their subscription areas like iCloud and Apple Music and Apple TV. So again, there are certain parts of the economy that are doing quite well and whatnot. But one of the reasons we bought Apple was because of their cash position. So they announced that they have almost $193 billion in cash. They're going to continue buying back their stock, which is a really important piece for a shareholder. And they even increased their dividend by 6%. So all of those things are, reasons why we own that holding. Where this market goes from here, we'll have to wait and see. We've jumped above the support. We'll see if we stay there, and hopefully we can continue to slowly, develop. April was announced as the best month in the last 33 years, which is why we stay in, because we don't know what's going to happen. So I want to thank you very much for watching today, and I look forward to talking to you tomorrow. Thank you.